Looking for the best elbow arm for camera/monitor but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best elbow arm for camera/monitor based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The K&F CONCEPT 9.8-inch Magic Arm Clamp Kit is a great all-around accessory that can be used with a variety of camera equipment. Its 360-degree dual ball head design makes it easy to adjust the device to the perfect position, and the 1/4 screws can be used to attach a camera cage, flash, or even a microphone. The flexibility of this magic arm clamp makes it perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants to add some visual interest to their footage. Number 4. The SMALLRIG Clamp with 1/4 and 3/8 thread is a super versatile accessory that can be used in a variety of situations. Its 9.8-inch adjustable friction power arm makes it easy to position your camera or light, and the super clamp can be mounted on virtually anything. The 360 rotation design ensures you can get the perfect shot from any angle. This is a must-have for anyone who shoots a lot of interviews or product demos. Number 3. The Neewer 11-inch articulating magic arm clamp mount is a beast of a product. With its 360 friction gear joint and 1/4 and 3/8 ARRI locating pins, you can attach a DSLR, action camera, or even a light panel to a rod or pole. The double ball heads allow for precise positioning, and the thumb screws are tool-free for easy setup. This is perfect for filmmakers, YouTubers, or anyone who needs a solid camera rig. Number 2. The K&F CONCEPT 6-inch Magic Arm Clamp is a versatile accessory that can be used with a variety of camera equipment. Its 360 ball head design makes it easy to adjust the device to the perfect position. Whether you're shooting high or low angles, this magic arm clamp can help you explore different creative possibilities. It's great for vloggers, YouTubers, or anyone who wants to add some visual interest to their footage. Number 1. The SMALLRIG Magic Arm Clamp Kit has an anti-deflection design that makes it incredibly reliable. It's perfect for videographers who need to attach a camera, light, or monitor to a table or tube. With its flexible rotating triangular prism friction block, you can get a secure grip on flat surfaces. This is a must-have for anyone who shoots from unique angles, like a POV shot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.